Try this one that I rebuilt on my drill here. Like new money. What are you doing? What you doing, Gunner? Watch this, watch this. He hates any kind of power tool. You scaredy cat. Arr. Get it. Get it. Hey guys, more Medic 1. Today I'm going to be rebuilding my battery packs on my SNAPON 18 and 14.4 volt packs. I've had these for a very long time. I think about since 07. Yeah, March of 07. And I'll be the first one to tell you that these battery packs are very expensive to replace. The 18, I think, somewhere over 100, and the 14 is somewhere around, you know, $80 to $90 just to replace the battery pack from SNAPON. Well, I have found a viable, better option. Here we go right here. Is I got these on Amazon. This battery rebuilder company is called EasyTronics, and definitely good quality reviews. Basically all you do is take your battery pack apart, slide the new upgraded batteries in. These are 3000 mAh. It's either 3000 or 3300. See if you can see it. Yeah, 3000s. Not quite sure about the rubber band. I think I'll take it off when I slide it down in the case here. But as you can tell, I've tried everything under the sun to try to get these batteries to come back, and that one just automatically goes to blinking. And as you can tell, it's the instruction says that if it starts blinking, that the battery pack is bad, hot, or too cold. Slide the 14 on there. It times out and then it just starts blinking. I like this charger setup because it charges stick battery packs as well, and I don't have any of those kind, but this battery pack, I got two chargers, and I also have two of these and two of these. I'm only going to rebuild, you know, the 14 and the 18. I just want to try them out. If they turn out to be good, then I'll order two more. I just didn't want to spend, let's see, they're $56 a piece, a little bit less for the 14, but it's almost half price to go this route, and you get better batteries. So let's go ahead and get this thing tore down and get these batteries replaced, and we'll see how they turn out. I'm going to do the 18 volt one first, and it's just a Torx, small, I guess. I don't know what size it is on my little HD 74502 screwdriver. I just got the one that fits good. Probably like a 10 or a 15. So just go around here and get all your screws out. And they're long-winded. I'm going to shut up talking and fast forward through this. Go ahead and pull the top off of the battery. we can see some apparent corrosion in there. Carefully, let's pry this battery out of here. Kind of work it around. Wiggle on out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this rubber band, and I'm also going to try to remove, if I can, this rubber backing off the old battery, and it's not looking good, but maybe. Go ahead and set it back down in there just for a little bit of cushion. Matter of fact, I got it upside down. Let's do it the other way. Slide the new battery pack in. Whoops. That's why this is on here. Help keep them together, or the rubber band, I'm sure. Fits like a glove. Just make sure everything just feels good, not binding up. Make sure it looks good in here. Everything's lined up there like it should. Snug everything down in a crisscross pattern. So we got them all snug down, that's good to go. So let's go ahead and slide the pack onto the charger. Ooh, she's even humming like she used to. While this is charging, I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the 14. I wished I had a battery rebuilder or a battery welder. I would try to do this myself and just buy the loose cells. And you can buy some really good cells and do it yourself. But this is fast, this is easy. To me, this is the way to go. I ordered these batteries yesterday and got them today. I mean, it's a no-brainer. One word of caution on your 14.4 volt pack: all the screws are shorter than the 18, except for the one at the very back. It's got one long screw. Here's why I think that 14.4 failed. Look at basically this is the signal wire. It's just melted, broken in two. Took the battery pack and just kind of unfolded it. As you can tell, it's just they're just sub C's, all battery welded together with a strap in series. I think these are 1.2 volts each. I'm going to go ahead and write on here. I don't know why I did it upside down. I wrote the date, got sidetracked, went over across the room, got me a drink, and then I realized that I had rebuilt upside down, or maybe the date upside down, but y'all get the idea. Man, that thing hadn't sounded that strong in a long time, and I'll guarantee you we'll put this sucker back to good use. I love this wrench, but I haven't been able to use it because all my batteries are gone. here's this little baby brother right here. Like I said, I rebuilt the 14.4. It's on the charger right now. Your less expensive tools, say like the DEWALT, I got the 12 volt little impact driver, and I've also got the Snap-on version of it, but it takes a little stick batteries. I'll show that to you in a second. But what I want to say is the batteries on these aren't pretty much, you could probably get the kit like I just bought for the Snap-on, but you can get these batteries already made, shipped to your home for like 12 or 13 bucks on Amazon. They're aftermarket, but the factory DEWALT battery for this is about 25 bucks. This was my go-to 1/4 inch impact for a long time. It just got to where I think the gearbox is just about to shell out, and you can hear it kind of grinding. But I definitely got my money's worth out of that. I wanted to go to the other style with the COLLETs, so instead of buying a Snap-on, I just went ahead and went with the 12 volt DEWALT. And not knocking anything, but I love that DEWALT better than I do the Snap-on 1/4 inch drive. Hey guys, if this helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and smash that like button, and get that bell pushed, and so you get all my notifications turned on. As you can tell right behind me right here, I got an air compressor that I'm working on. I bought brand new at an auction for $4, and I fixed it. So stay tuned for that video. Y'all have a good rest of the week, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. More Medic 1.